OMG. OMG. This whole total OMG. Guys, I'm going to the prom, okay? The prom. My dad's not gonna hear this. Okay. Dad, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Oh, I know what you're doing, Tractor. What are you doing? Anything? I'm just gonna get some ice cream. I know what you're doing. You're gonna go to a prom. How did you know that? Well, I know because I told you. I heard you when you're talking on the phone, you fool. Oh, but please, Dad, I wanna go to the prom. No way, Tractor. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Oh man, dang it. Oh, that's it. Go to your room. Oh man. Fine. I just repeated 12, 12, and 100 million times. Oh, do you believe this, Marian? Did you just believe this? Oh no, honey. Oh God, I hope this won't happen again. Are you sure? Yeah, sure. Well, if they might go to the prom, well. Guys, get the gang together. We're gonna kill my dad. We're gonna kill lightning once and for all. Into my super sword. Heads up, Dad. What the heck are you talking about? That's your arch enemy. Oh my God, my arch enemy. Yeah, that's right. Another car guards. Oh, well, you're grounded. Oh, you can't stop me now, Dad. I got my little gang here. Yep. Yeah, get 'em, boys. Oh, take it. Finally, Dad's dead. Not for long. Dad, no, stop fighting. Okay, Mom, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't accept your apology. Taste this. Oh God, son, what have you done to your crap. You're grounded. Oh man. Dang you. Quack, 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 quack.